Commander's morning. Yabona mangabe unomntwana. Umntwana wakho kukhona la angakuphathi kahle khona. Uyambiza umhlalise phansi. Umbonise ukuthi lento le uyenzayo izokushaya la nala. And then mangabe umntwana eqhubeke engezwa, you let them be. So that ezofunda isifundo sakho ukuthi lokungezwa kwakho imphumela yakho yini. So izolo kukhona i-call. In fact ama calls nama messages angenile ekhala ngokuthi khona ulive bomkhonto wesizwe, umuntu omkhonto wesizwe ogxeka umkhonto wesizwe. Banginikeza ilink mangithi ngiyalunguza. Okay, well I don't think ngizothi bengibe surprised because the very same person wake waveza video yo eyayingeyinhle kahle yase South Coast eveza sengazuthi umkhonto wesizwe kubanga khona umuntu kanjani kanti inhlanhla leyo ke besikhona sashuthi izithombe nama video siyazi ukuthi begcwele kanjani. But leya video leya wayekhuluma nje lokho ayekusho ukuthi ubaba uzobe engekho and what not. Engasho ngazi inkosi yami, I think abantu kumele ba understand one thing ukuthi mangabe umkhonto wesizwe o ukholo lwami lo lengintshela lona ke manje, mangabe umkhonto wesizwe, umkhonto wesizwe uyawulekelela ukuthi ukhule, uyawuvikela kokubi, awuthathi wena umkhonto wesizwe unekela izitha mangabe kukhona la wena obona ngathi awenzi khona kahle. Because also we are different people for a reason, we are individuals for a reason. Indlela obona ngazi ukuthi wena ayikho right, mhlawumbe mina ngiyibona ngathi iyona right. So also we have leadership. Leadership sibekelwe sayibona sonke, yavela ngisho kuma TV. Umkhonto wesizwe nje uvela ku TV kodwa leadership ebekiwe ye top 8 iveziwe. Now whenever kukhona ongakuboni kahle umkhonto wesizwe, you have access leadership. Inamba ka SG ikuyona yonke incwadi ephumayo. Inamba kaNhlamulo ikusona sonke statement esiphumayo. If kukhona ongakunderstand usomlomo wenhlangano which is uNhlamulo Ndlela, I'm sure ukuthi unolwazi olungaphezulu kolwakho. You ask him ukuthi Nhlamulo ngibona 1 no 2 no 3 ngabe kuyikho na. Or you go to SG naku ngaboni kahle, mawuyibona ukuthi kude kunabo bonke labantu, we've got leadership on the ground. We've got your VDs, we've got your wards, you've got your sub-regions, you've got your regions, you've got your provinces, you have ubuholi. Lapho khona o-director khona ama-grievances wakho. Now, when it comes to i-membership card, a lot has been said about the membership card. But I still ask you, Uguti, now, ubaba uNxamalala drove all the way from Nkandla with the leadership that we have currently. Benza amakhadi bonke. We've got I mean ngingayibala yonke leadership really niyayazi. Bonke bana amakhadi. Bese kuzothiwa la makhadi are illegal. What I'm asking myself ukuthi, so you mean to say president wenhlangano wenza ikhadi illegal? You mean to say chair of chairs wenhlangano wenze ikhadi illegal? You mean to say uSG, uDSG, uTG benza amakhadi illegal? What about leadership ya wonke ama provinces laba bawenzile amakhadi bona nithini ngabo? But even kwakona ukuthi ngize ngilibele ngibuza lo mbuzo, ngempela akumele ngabe ngiyawubuza. If kuukuthi kukhona umuntu onamandla okuphikisana noNxamalala ngomkhonto wesizwe, bengicabanga mhlawumbe ukuthi kunganjani ukuthi lo muntu ahambe uphikisana naye kwi-platform right not ku TikTok. And especially because when you speak ill of umkhonto wesizwe and you are acting as umkhonto wesizwe, wenza abantu abalapha phansi kwi-grassroots njengami babe bengasazazi ukuthi ngempela ngabe basalandela into eyiyona noma baphambukile. Angicabangike kodwa amakhomanda ukuthi uNxamalala uyena nganidukisa. Njengoba uNxamalala esho kule video engizoyifaka la ukuthi hambani ukwenza wena amakhadi, angicabanga ukuthi the whole president of umkhonto wesizwe ngadukisa wena. Angicabanga ukuthi the members of parliament would have gone out of their way ukuthi benza ama membership card. Angicabanga ukuthi the whole leadership of umkhonto wesizwe bungenza amakhadi illegal. Kodwa ke ngoba bengagxekwa amakhadi kuphela begxeka umkhonto wesizwe wonke, angazi mhlambe ubhude ngasichazela ukuthi yena ubebona ukuthi akwenzakaleni. Njengoba nje bezogxeka la ku TikTok, mhlambe yiphi indlela engcono abebona ukuthi akwenzeke ngayo, noma ngoba phela into bangabungayizwisisi kahle ungayithandisisi kahle. Mina nje ngiyayi-excuse kwinto engayi-understand nento engayizwa kahle, ngiyayisusa kuleyo equation ngingabi ingxenye yayo. Mhlambe ubhuti kuyomela ukuthi athi ayimonqule abe lapha eceleni azaqonde bese yaqhubeka akazohambisana kanye nathi, ngoba leyo ukuthi azogcwala la akhulume izinto ezingazinhle ayisizi yena, ayisizi thina, ayisizi umuntu. It's a waste of data, a waste of energy. Mhlambe kuzothola abantu ozoba confuse here and there, but abantu bomkhonto wesizwe ngoba ababizwanga bazizela, angiboni ukuthi khona umuntu ongabakhipha. Umuntu ozothi confused udidekile umuntu vele obengenayo shot to begin with. Thina ngoba sila kumkhonto wesizwe soshintsha impilo for izizukulwana zethu. Mina nje angizele mina la, ngizele ingane zezingane zami, ngizele iphambili lami, ngizele lapho engifisa khona ukuthi ingane yami ibe khona nezingane zayo nezingane zayo kanjalo kanjalo. Njengoba ubaba esukumile wanza lo mkhonto walesizwe, angicabanga ukuthi le nto kumele sithathe for granted, and angicabanga ukuthi kuwumqondo omuhle ukuthi sizodicelela igama lalomkhonto laphansi. Ngicabanga ukuthi lokho okwenzayo makukuthi uyakwenza awinuka amakhwapha mntaka baba, zinuke mntaka baba amakhwapha.